Hey everybody, Chef Mark here. I'm just getting ready to shop for our Thai Flavors Made Easy class, and I'm standing outside of my beloved Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go inside and buy some very simple ingredients that are gonna transform into something way beyond what we started with. I'll show you what to grab. One package of romaine hearts, one bag of cilantro, one package of mint, one English cucumber. These mushrooms are gonna be our main dish here, so we're gonna grab 2 per person. And this is just the grown-up version of these little guys. Fun fact, 1 bag of limes. We'll try to find a mango that's turned a little bit here and starting to change color and is a little bit soft. Bell peppers here, I like to get the organic ones. Garlic and ginger. Sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, and avocado oil. And this one's pretty important. This is the fat that we're going to be using for cooking, and if we are what we eat, I think it's worth the extra few bucks to get something that's really good and comes from a source that we know what that is. We know what an avocado is. Canola, I don't know what a canola is. Yep, a lot cheaper, a lot more, but is it better? I'll let you decide. And for those remaining items that we can't get at Trader Joe's, we'll get them from our neighborhood market, whatever that might be for you. We'll be able to find that there. Whole black peppercorns, that's going to be a game changer. We're going to grind this fresh ourselves, and that's going to be what makes this dish taste so good. Same deal with whole coriander seeds here. Make sure to track these down whole, and we're going to grind them ourselves, and this is going to be what makes this dish this dish. Toasted sesame seeds are going to be an optional garnish for the salad, but these are really amazing. And if your market groups together Asian items like this, it'll be pretty easy to track down. We got sesame oil here, 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 here. This is gonna make our salad taste really amazing, so don't miss this one. All right, and this is the one I talk about a lot. Kosher salt, and specifically this one, Diamond Crystal. I've not found a better salt that is processed more cleanly, has a natural flavor, and is lower in sodium per gram. So if you're sprinkling it on with your hands, you're not gonna over salt it as likely. Get this Diamond Crystal Kosher salt, it's gonna change your life. There's one ingredient that you just won't be able to find anywhere else, and that's gonna be that sweet rice to make our Thai sticky rice. Unless you happen to have an Asian market nearby. I'm gonna grab mine there. Otherwise, you'll have to go on Amazon and follow that link that I'll provide to you. Don't miss this one, it's absolutely essential. Okay, here it is, the Fabled sweet rice. So this one is called sweet. This brand calls it glutinous. And this one also calls it glutinous. So you'll see it labeled both ways. It also says sweet on top there. But this is what's gonna make that sticky rice for our Thai food, so don't miss this one.